So where do we go? People ask us what's our focus territory-wise. Basically, North America. We do some spindles overseas, but we mostly focus on Canada, the States, Mexico. Myself, just this year, I've been in the Northeast, Northwest, Boeing, Northeast, Lockheed Martin, Sikorsky. We've got full-time reps handling the Southeast. Of course, the Midwest is already covered. I guess the point of what I'm saying is there's nowhere we won't go to discuss trying to help a customer with Spindle.
Great, thanks so much. And you are again?
I'm Brian Burns. I'm one of the owners.
Awesome.
I'm also Vice President of Sales, and usually within the request to come out, we can go visit a customer within a week or two of notice. Sometimes faster, but we're always willing to come meet face to face. That's how we do the majority of our selling. Of course, we market online, but to come to your facility, get a look at the processes, see exactly what machines you're running, what you need help with is key in developing a good relationship, help you with not only extending your spindle life, machine downtime, and we can discuss the other services we offer as well. So.